The last time I watched these young people playing, I was enjoying their game until a disagreement ensued among them that made them to end the game. Then I was forced to challenge them for allowing such a disagreement to end game. Eventually, I saw them playing again, but this time they have changed the game. They start playing using another style. So next time there is disagreement as a member of a team, why don't you think of changing the game? Change your approach to perception about people's behavior. You can even change the environment, change the discussion. That is how to resolve conflicts next time. So refuse to settle.